Hello dear students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Savangi. I am your English teacher, Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do unit number 9, word and expression, and its second part. Okay, so let's begin. Read the story given here, use inverted commas wherever necessary, punctuate the story and correct the spelling errors, then rewrite the story in the space provided. Puppies for sale. A little boy appeared under the store owner's signboards. Puppies for sale. How much are you going to sell the puppies for? He asked polite. The store owner replied, anywhere from rupees 300 to rupees 500. I have rupees 150. The little boy said soft, can I please look at them? The store owner smiled and whistled. And out of the kennel came 5 teeny tiny balls of fur. One puppy was lagging considerable behind. Immediate, the little boy singled out the lagging, limping puppy and said curious, what's wrong with that little dog? The owner explained that it had no hip socket. It would always be lame. The little boy became excited. That is the little puppy that I want to buy. The store owner said, apologetic, no, you don't want to buy that little dog. If you really want him, I shall just give him to you. The little boy got quite upset. He looked strangely into the store owner's eyes. Pointing his finger, he said, I don't want you to give him to me. That little dog is worth every bit as much as all the other dogs, and I will pay full price. In fact, I will give you rupees 150 now and 5 rupees a month until I have him paid for. The store owner countered forcibly, you really don't want to buy this little dog? It is never going to be able to run and jump and play with you like the other puppies. To this, the little boy slowly reached down and rolled up his trousers leg to reveal a badly twisted, crippled left leg, supported by a big metal brace. He looked up at the store owner and softly replied, well, I don't run so well myself, and the little puppy will need someone who understands it. Okay, student, rewrite the story by using correct punctuation marks and try to rearrange each set of words to make sentences. Use appropriate punctuation marks. Okay, so students, now listening. Teacher, the callous attitude of a man towards the animals has put their existence in peril. Killing animals for food, fun, and sport has endangered many species. Listen to this text on the dangers to wildlife. As you listen, take the correct choice to complete the sentences. Wild animals are under constant danger of extinction due to many reasons. Fewer and fewer natural wildlife habitat areas are available to the wild animals each year. The forest and the bushy lands that remain now are so damaged. They do not look like the wild areas which existed in the past. Loss of forest due to cutting down of trees is the main threat to the survival of wildlife. Another reason is global warming. Due to this, the summer days are getting hotter. There is more rainfall. Flooding of rivers has become heavier due to more rain. Storms are getting stronger. Heat, floods, and storms are also causing dangerous changes to our world. Illegal hunting of wild animals is another cause behind the loss of wildlife. Pollution released into the environment affect wild animals in exactly the same way those affect the humans. Pesticides and chemicals make the environment toxic for all wild animals. What can we do to change such a situation? What can improve the size and the condition of our forest? Okay, students, tick the correct answer as you listen. Complete the sentences using the correct answer after you have listened to the passage. Okay, students. First example I will give to you. For many reasons, dash are under constant threat. So what will come? Wild animals. Okay. So in the same way, you have to write down the answers. Okay, and find out the following information about your favorite wild animals: where it lives, how it looks, what it eats, when it comes out to search for food. Okay, students. Discuss the picture with your parents, your brother or sister together. Write an imaginary dialogue between the bear and the girl. Okay, students. So this is the end of the class. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you, and complete the given task. Okay, students, thank you and have a happy day.